Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of harassment: aggressive pressure or intimidation. For example, they face daily harassment and assault on the streets. American pronunciation: harassment. Harassment. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Harassment. Say, harassment. Harassment means aggressive pressure or intimidation. Harassment. Harassment. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He says that SAFNA activists continue to face harassment and persecution. Now, repeat after me. He says that SAFNA activists continue to face harassment and persecution. The second practice. This organization should stop at once the harassments and intimidation of left-wing militants. Now, repeat after me. This organization should stop at once the harassments and intimidation of left-wing militants.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.